Look at him, guys. Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Brandon, and today we're out here on a local spillway and it's under construction. Honestly, I didn't even know that was happening, but hey, we're just gonna try it, so who cares? Back then, these little ponds, my brother Rado, you guys know Rado from the last video? Sexy. No, but him and my dad used to come here all the time and catch giant largemouth, but lately we haven't caught shit. So I thought maybe we might get some catfish. So hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure to please like and subscribe. Do whatever the heck you need to do to help your boy out. But yeah, let's see if we can catch something. Vámonos, cabrones. Yo guys, so today's setup is gonna be a chunk of tuna. We're gonna try it. I've never used this before. I've never used this type of bait, so we're gonna see if we can catch anything. And we're also gonna be frog fishing, right? We're not catching frogs, but using frogs for bass. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Let's see if we can get anything. For a second, I thought we had a bite. But anyways, guys, we've been fishing in this spot for like 30 minutes and we really have gotten nada. You know, so I think I'm gonna head a little more down that way, see if we can catch something. So, yeah. Yo guys, and we're back at the other side of the spillway. I already got the rod set up. Hopefully we can catch some catfish. I want to eat some catfish. So fingers crossed. Let's see if we can catch one. Look at that, guys. Jesus. Got one, guys. Finally, guys. Damn, I think it's stuck. Oh no. I might have lost him, guys. So it's still there. Stuck on something though. Damn. Look, it's still pulling the line. He snagged on something though. God damn it, guys. Look at it, he's still pulling. God. Damn it. Look at this, guys. Damn. Well, guys, no more rod. God damn it, guys. Look at this big boy. He's still trying to eat that shit. He's still trying to eat it. Look at him. Look at this, guys. Look at this guy. Look at him. That's insane. It's been a crazy day. I broke my rod. I almost caught a freaking fish. It got stuck. Fucked it up. Caught this little aggressive ass trying to eat my bait. Should I use him as bait? Should I let him go? No, let him go. And we're out here, guys. It's literally raining on us and it looks pretty bad. But we still got the rod set up. We're gonna keep trying. I got that one bite and it tangled, it broke my rod, the freaking crawdad were trying to take my bait away. It was literally like a fucking party. But hopefully we catch something. I'm gonna throw it out for another hour or so. Stay tuned. Guys, look at this. I didn't film it. Look at him. Oh, motherfucker. Look at these guys. Looks like a little bass, but Could be a smallmouth. But at least we caught one today. Hopefully we catch a cat, man, cause sheesh. Hell yeah. One is one. Got one, guys. Well, oh yeah, I did. What is it? Look at him, guys. We got one, guys. Guys, we got what we came here to get. Let's go, boys. Let's go. What we came here to get, guys. Look at this bad boy. Ate the whole thing. Look at him, guys. All right, guys, so we got what we were looking for. Finally, after literally hours of trying to catch a stupid catfish, we finally got one. It wasn't the biggest one, but honestly, it's the perfect size for eating. So let's go back to the house. Well, guys, so after a super freaking long ass day fishing, catching nothing, the last 30 minutes catching a bunch of different bass. By the way, if you guys know what those type of bass are, please leave a comment and let me know what they are. But those last 30 minutes, I literally caught maybe like 3-4 fish, and then the catfish. But anyways, we just got done filleting the fish and putting them in a bag full of lime and salt. The reason why I put them in a bag of lime and salt is to get rid of that fishy, dirty, earthy flavor of that catfish sometimes have. And since these ponds aren't the cleanest, I decided just to do that. So until tomorrow, hasta mañana. Yo, what is up, guys? It's the next morning and we're finally gonna be cooking that catfish. I'm super fucking excited, so let's get it. All right, guys, so we have everything set up. We got our flour, we got our seasonings, Cajun, some egg wash, and then some catfish. So first thing you're gonna do is, soak that in there. Oh, we gotta make the batter. Put some flour, and I was thinking of just putting some of this. Look at that. Exactly, be generous. Some garlic powder. And then some Cajun. Holy fuck. Jesus. Give me a second.
A few moments later.
Mix it up. Go. Take the one from the egg wash. Put that shit in there. Probably should have done this in a bag. Hey, you learn from your mistakes. You learn from your sticky ass fingers. All right, guys, now that we have the fish pretty much ready, we check the oil. And by that, you just throw a little piece and then it's ready. Let's throw little pieces of catfish in there. That shit already smells good as hell. All right, guys, so there you have it. Check it out. All right, so let's try it. Colorado catfish. Let's see. A little bit of salsa, you know. Mmm. Damn, that's really good. It's limey. I love the seasoning. All right, let me take one of the big pieces. Because that little piece, all I tasted was the bread, honestly. So I taste the fish. Damn. Yo, it does not taste fishy at all. Literally, I'm so surprised because that fish, man, it's a kind of scary ass fish because one, they're bottom feeders. Two, I caught them by literally a construction site. So that's pretty sketch. But hey, taste is delicious. I mean, if I'm not dead tomorrow, we're all good. The breading is really good too though. I can't believe the catfish doesn't taste like fishy or like that earthy flavor. Like literally zero. Zero trace of that fishy flavor, man. And remember guys, please like and subscribe, share, do whatever the heck you need to do to help your boy out. Remember, tú puedes hacer esto si tú quieres. Nos vemos luego, cabrones.